Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. E-commerce. E-commerce, also known as electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet or through other electronic means such as mobile apps or social media platforms. E-commerce has revolutionized the way people shop and conduct business, allowing for global connectivity and access to a wider range of products and services. There are several types of e-commerce models, including business-to-business B2B, business-to-consumer B2C, consumer-to-consumer C2C, and consumer-to-business C2B. B2B e-commerce involves transactions between businesses, while B2C e-commerce involves transactions between businesses and consumers. C2C e-commerce involves transactions between consumers, such as through online marketplaces like eBay or Etsy, while C2B e-commerce involves transactions where consumers sell goods or services to businesses, such as freelance work or influencer sponsorships. E-commerce platforms can take many forms, from simple online marketplaces like Etsy to complex e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms typically provide the tools necessary for businesses to create an online storefront, manage inventory, process payments, and track orders. One of the major benefits of e-commerce is the ability for businesses to reach a wider audience and expand their customer base beyond geographic limitations. E-commerce can also offer cost savings for both businesses and consumers, as online transactions often have lower overhead costs compared to traditional brick-and-mortar stores. However, e-commerce also poses some challenges, such as cybersecurity risks, the potential for fraudulent transactions, and the need for businesses to adapt to changing consumer behavior and technology advancements. Overall, e-commerce has transformed the way businesses operate and consumers shop, providing new opportunities